Today, cattle was unchanged. That cash trade really just stalled out. The active cash trade is just not expected until tomorrow. But, watch out for that on-feed report. So it may push all the activity till Friday. So we might see a little bit of a dilly-dally in the market and not much happening. Although we're going to watch for those numbers closely, because if we get any kind of a tell as to what's going to be in the report, you're going to see the market start to move in that direction. The feeders were kind of firm today, but just barely above normal. The outside markets are a little bit of the focus right now with those energy markets losses. It seems like that the feeder market, just wants to test its highs. So we have to watch that too, because the USDA expectations could be the driver of this market. And if we start to test the highs or even push through, we could get some follow-through buying and really get a little bit of a rally here as we move towards the end of the year. Now, the hogs recovered today. The packer margins are growing as traders look to increase demand to start that 2019 season, the first quarter. These margins really have some potential to expand even further. Still, it's important to be watchful, because this day of technology trading, anything can happen. Now we're watching the African swine fever. Another case has been tested in the southern region, kind of near Hong Kong area. That just tells us that it's a lot more out of control than what we've been told. Although there hasn't been big action around the world with the movement of the pork supplies. So until that starts to happen, we won't be able to see exactly what the effect is going to be. But I think that the swine fever is no joke, and at some point it's going to come to pass, and we're going to have to figure out exactly how we can fulfill that. And it could be to the benefit of U.S. pork producers, and we're hoping and keeping our fingers crossed that that's going to be okay. At the same time, the resolution is still out there, U.S.-China resolution. If we can get something going with those tariff markets, I think with the tariff reports, I think that we could really get our markets rolling. But we're going to keep our fingers crossed and hope for the best.